Hey everybody! Now, are you ready for something super cute and kind of sad? So I was doing the yard yesterday, and while I went inside, of course making sure that I was 100% sure about this, we found two little orphan quails. They were all by themselves, and we waited, and we let them call, hoping that we were going to see a quail mama, but we didn't. Mommy didn't come, huh? Yeah, Mama didn't come. So, I have to tell you guys, they are fast. You ready? Oh, look at that cutie. Look at that cutie. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. So, as of right now, we went ahead and we named them. Say hello to Rocky and Creed. Yep. Nice, big, strong name. Yeah, how's the babies? How's the babies? Hi, baby. Oh no. Oh no. At first, when we first found them, they were terrified and shivering, and they wouldn't cuddle, nuzzle. They just wanted to get away. And we had to catch them. They were kind of just randomly running around. And again, like I said before, we waited. First, we looked, we watched, we looked for other babies. We didn't find any more. So I decided to help these little boogers. And they're probably about, I want to say approximately maybe 2, at most 3 days old now. But I would guess some more at like 2.5 days. Oh, big yawn. My goodness, big yawn. Anyways, they're absolutely adorable. And I thought that you guys might enjoy meeting them. They love to cuddle and nuzzle their little heads in. Hi. What you doing, peekaboo? Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, I know. And they just ate and they drank some water, which is good. As of today, we were able. So we've had them since yesterday evening, and I first saw them yesterday afternoon. And as of today, we have confirmed that they have been eating the starter foods that you feed quail. And the good thing is I've raised quail before, so I have the proper enclosures and I have the proper items, everything from the heat lamp to, the proper, water dish and food dishes. But, and even to the food, I know exactly what to feed them. But if anybody has ever had to rescue quail before in the past, I want to make sure I don't do anything wrong, because we all know that there can be large differences between a rescued animal and a domestic animal. So obviously, between handling these little birdies and touching Pretty Bird or Pikachu or Sunny, we thoroughly wash our hands and disinfect them. They could be sick for all we know, so we're being very careful with that, and they don't have any contact with Pretty Bird. Oh, Pikachu. Right, Pika Pika? Yeah, okay. But they're absolutely precious. They are so sweet. And we're going to take care of them and make sure that they have a chance. And this guy is cuddly. You guys see this? It's so weird. He likes it when you pet his chin. I didn't expect there to be like a positive reaction from a baby quail to pets or scratches. Why'd you bubbles? Why'd you bubbles? You going night night? And out. Watch. Hi. No, not going that way. No, we're not escaping. No escaping. No escaping. Handling two of these with one hand is not very easy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed meeting these little boogers. I will keep you guys posted and make more videos of them. Pretty Bird is currently very jealous, but she'll be okay. Still giving her lots of love. Obviously not without washing my hands. And we will see you all soon. If you agree with me that these two little cute quail butts are absolutely adorable, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. And if you want to keep seeing cute animals like these two little guys, or our cockatiel Pikachu, or our pet goose Pretty Bird, or our other cockatiel Sunny, and again, these guys' names are Rocky and Creed. So if you guys want to continue seeing them, please subscribe to the channel for future content. And leave you a comment. We love to read the comments and respond to all the ones that we can. And if you think that someone else might find this adorable or might enjoy this video or any of our videos, please feel free to share them with your friends and family. We really appreciate any support that you guys give our channel. Pretty Bird's flock means a lot to us, and I hope you guys know that. I hope you guys are all healthy and safe, and we will see you guys soon. Alrighty guys, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye everybody. Bye-bye everybody. Yeah, look at that face. Guys, it's that perfect moment. How am I supposed to turn the camera off when there's a perfect moment? Alrighty guys. I love y'all. Say bye-bye. There you go. They went night-night. Night-night, baby.